What J Blue does.
Okay.
Wow, J Blue.
Let's see if this SF1M can break underneath this 20-period moving average here.
Your paper looks very good, Jason.
Yeah, hopefully it doesn't pull back too much. I took a partial at the pre-market high, and it's looking like it's pulling back now. So hopefully it can keep going. I'll have to get out underneath this candle right here for the rest of my shares, so I don't turn it into a loss. Oh, geez, what the heck happened to SoFi? I guess maybe we should short it.
Yeah, remember I in and out 2 minutes to make profit.
Yeah. So this looks like probably a short right here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it looks good. Giving back the whole gap. That's usually
look good.
Usually a sign of lower prices to go if it does that off the open. So we'll see. Sprouts, I think.
Well, market up a lot.
Oh wow, yeah, you're right. Market's up a lot, and you got these other things going down. So that's interesting. It's very interesting.
Yeah, like MRK and GLW.
Yeah. GLW, yeah. So guess we can look for a short offer, a VWAP or something on this GLW.
Oh, J-Crew didn't give me an entry.
Let's see here, what do we got? Get all coming back down. This also looks like it's on a little bit of support here.
Boy. No entry at all.
I'm watching Google for a potential long.
Which one?
Google?
JetBlue?
No, Google.
Oh, Google. Oh, okay.
Google.
Yeah.
Oh, looks good.
Hmm. Got GLW. I want to try to take a short on GLW somehow. And then if I get a green candle and go over this red candle next.
Google looks so good. Anyone get in?
Not yet.
Okay.
It hasn't triggered yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, Google looks like a level 2 right now.
Yeah. It's BYON. Looks like more downside coming. Okay.
Market dropping? Yeah, market dropping.
I might try a short here on this SYM after I get a 5-minute doji.
SYM.
Did it on the. Oh, it's not shortable. It's not shortable. Dang it.
And what's DXCM?
I like this crowd strike still for more downside.
Not so much for Google.
Yeah, Google looks like a short.
Yeah.
Look at that engulfing bar.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's gonna break the 20 here, go down. I'm adding a little bit to my SFM here. Looks like it is trying to go a little lower, so that's good.
Are you shorting it?
Yeah, I was shorting it. I first went long for a little bit, got out break even, and then decided to go in short when it broke the low, the previous bar's low. I'm thinking maybe it'll crack the 20 here.
Oh,
I also shorted Google.
Nice.
Yeah, hopefully we can get a little move here on Google, back down into the, you know. I was thinking SFM probably down to 100, but we'll see.
Affirm is working. AFRM.
AFRM, yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at that. That is going good.
wow. Yeah, it's on my scan, but too many to watch.
I know.
Oh,
AFRM.
but the AFRM touched 20 on the daily.
Yeah. Yeah.
Look at AAL.
AAL, okay.
Wow.
I have no entry on JetBlue.
Are these the airlines going up? Oh my goodness! Wow. Yeah,
JetBlue, AAL.
yeah, they look crazy. There you could go Al Brooks.
And my DXCM, no entry.
Yeah. Yeah, Google's going. Come on, buddy.
UPS is up.
on, SFM. All right. Here comes Sprouts. Come on, Sprouts. Oh, get ready to add on crowd.
Yeah. I haven't
There we
entered that
go.
one
There we
yet.
go. I got my SFM starting to go.
Yeah, unfortunately, crowd is a little bit spready.
It's
Yeah,
very
it's
spready, yeah.
ready, yeah. That's
I would
very
go
hard
in very small shares. Give yourself a really wide stop loss.
Mm.
Wow. AAL, you could have Al Brooks
I know,
the last
right?
candle and just said, you know what? Give myself that big of a wide of stop. I'm hoping this BYON becomes a shot gap. It's just got to break yesterday's low. Let's see how I'm doing so far. Nice. I made 10 hours so far today.
Wow, you're so quick. I got only
Wait,
2 hours.
Seriously?
I made 10 hours, yeah.
Wow, nice.
Yeah, but I did a little bit of trading in the pre-market, so I was up about 5 hours already.
Nice.
And then, oh, yes. There we go.
Wow.
SFM going down. Okay, so if we can just get back underneath 110, 100, I'll exit the whole thing. Come on, I want to see this freaking BYON get down. Come on, keep going. There we go, come on. Come on, come on, SFM. There we go. I'm going to take a partial on this BYON just in case, and SFM. Just in case. Ah. Now I just got to make sure I don't give back my profits.
Yeah.
You know, so the rest of my trades are going to be very, very small shares. And they may work, but they're just going to be tiny. Just to keep myself, practicing and continue to trade correctly, but not with any meaningful size. But I'm still gonna exercise the same discipline on getting stopped out if I stop out.
Yeah.
It's just now I won't lose. If I lose 3 times in a row, I won't even lose an R because Oh, crowd's going. Okay, great. SFBYON is going good. Anybody get that Google with me short?
I did not.
No.
It's not.
Okay.
It's not going with my my trading. So
What I'm gonna probably do is hold on to crowd short, and when it goes absolutely climactic, then I'll flip it long for a little scalp, and then because I want to get one counter trend, climactic kind of thing. Let's see, how's everything going? Let me look on my. Starting to go. See, I want you guys to pay attention to something. BYON.
Mm-hmm.
The reason why I entered this short and then just held is because I'm seeing the daily and saying this is probably I call it a shot gap.
yeah.
So the idea is that it gaps in one direction. Everybody thinks it's really great, and right at the very moment it opens, it completely obliterates what people thought was going to happen, and everybody still has their stops under. Like they keep thinking like, no, don't worry, it'll bounce, right? So they average down on the trade, and when the trade eventually breaks the day before's low, that's a really bad sign for everybody. So what ends up happening is everybody gets out right there, then and there, and you get that extra thrust.
Mm-hmm. Makes
And
sense.
it's just so nice. Oh, SFM, great. All right. Nice. Thinking about, we'll see what happens to PayPal. I was hoping PayPal would keep going, but it got me out on my remaining shares at break even, and then now I'm thinking it's setting up a short. But we'll see. Hopefully, it gets back over the VWAP in the moving averages, and then continues on. I had high hopes for PayPal, SoFi, AFRM. And then we missed the glow GLW, but now it's coming back up. So I think we're going to get a chance.
It's above the VWAP right now, right?
Yeah, it's at the VWAP. So it could be a short right around here. Let's see what it does. Let's see what the moving averages. Okay, it looks like we're finding some support here on crowd. And then SoFi looks like we're going to trigger a level 2 to the downside here. Get ready for that. Oh, jeez. Look at SFM, guys. Oh, look at BYON. Okay, great. It's working. And here comes SoFi. Possibly going to break this pivot here. Get ready. GLW triggered level 1. I don't love it because it's pretty extended, but I think back down to the low of day couldn't harm. Couldn't be bad. I think what I'll do is after 2 more trades, I'll call it a day, and then come back a little later and see if I can find anything else that just looks absolutely amazing.
AAL pullback.
Okay, it pulled back on the airline thing.
Uh-huh.
I was gonna say we could have tried to do maybe a climactic on those.
Yeah, like JetBlue right now.
Yeah, like they're going up probably by a buy program. So the buy program is going up and up and up and up, and eventually it just kicks off when the whoever is buying it has enough shares. Oh, guys, SoFi. All right. There we go. Level 2 right there. Let's see if we can get back down to $7 from here.
Okay.
Definitely could happen. Anybody get that level 1 with me on GLW?
Mm-hmm.
Right at the VWAP. Pretty nice. Let's see if it goes. If it doesn't go anywhere, you just get out break even now because you've got a little bit of a move or close to break even.
Yeah.
Let's see. So crowd going down pretty good. Where could crowd stop at? I want to make sure I get out at the right time. Did you see anybody see support on crowd? CRWD where buyers might step in?
I see on the weekly, yeah. But
What
just go
price
back
is that?
around
Hey,
here.
watch Nike.
Around here.
Oh, around here? Okay. Okay, good to know. Yeah, I was
It's
thinking it's
Nike.
starting to get kind of extended on crowd.
Nike.
Back.
Wow, SoFi.
Yeah, anybody in that with me? I just entered in that on level 2.
I did not. I'm in crowd though.
Okay, nice. Yeah, I'm thinking about getting out of crowd right around here. What do you think?
Why get out? It's been no sign of anything. It's extended.
Yeah, that's true. I'm just thinking it might pop up to 240. Let's see. That might have been the wrong choice. I think I just got out. I think that was a mistake. SoFi coming back up to my entry.
I see.
I'm not a lot of crowd.
Okay.
Kind of anticipated the exit here. Which I think was okay, because look, it's bouncing now.
Yeah.
But, I'm going to get out of SoFi here at my break even here. It's coming right back up to my entry. I don't like that. Looks like we're heading into some choppy territory now.
Yeah.
GLW. Kind of like this PayPal. If we can get back over the VWAP to go long. Oh my gosh, look at QXO. What the heck happened to that? Look at that was like a gap down and all of a sudden just flipped.
Kind of going.
Wow. Would be good longer.
Yeah, but it's like you would have, I guess you would have had to really keep your eye on that VWAP and get ready to, basically go long. Kind of like similar to SFM. What happened with SFM, but this one has gone way better than SFM. AAL pulling back.
Mm-hmm. Same as Nike.
We could try a long on AAL at the VWAP, but kind of a climactic-y kind of drop here. So I'd be a little worried about taking it long right at the first entry. Maybe it'll work.
What thing about JetBlue? So we go.
Is that JBLU?
Yeah.
Did you get into it?
I have not.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I mean, remember your study, right, about how far away is it from the moving average?
Yeah, it's pretty far. That's okay. That's why I'm hesitant. Like, so far.
I know. I
Take it.
think it could. It'd be difficult. I don't know. Makes me wonder for sure.
Yeah.
I mean, AAL is pulling back. I'd rather take the AAL long than the JetBlue because at least I'm taking it back at some value zone. But then again, JetBlue is the one that seems like it's stronger.
Yeah.
Got earnings after the close on some good trades for earnings if anybody wants to join me on that.
That's not
That one's,
happening.
we're going to have, after the close for earnings, we got, I'll tell you guys, there's some good ones. I think that'll
Sure.
lend itself to my earnings strategy. Let's see here. We got after the close. Let me look.
Gotta be JetBlue. Keep going.
There it goes.
Wow.
I'm not gonna do it, but looks great, man. It really does look great.
This GLW is not working.
It's going sideways, yeah. Probably gonna, you know what? I bet you anything it's gonna get up to that $39, and then fail, and then come back down. So, oh wow! After the close, we got AMD, Microsoft, Pins, and Starbucks, all doing earnings. You can imagine what's going to happen with those. I'll tell you where I think they're going to go based off of their daily chart. Okay, so AMD. Oh man, I don't know. My guess is probably up because it's been selling off so much. But then again, it's a downtrend, so I go with the trend. So I'm going with the down. I'm going to gapping down. Let's see what Microsoft does. Microsoft, I would say the same thing, gapping down because it's with the downtrend, even though it's super sold off. And then Pins, Pins, downtrend as well. Shit, SBUX. They all look the same. I would say they're all going to gap down, but I think that they're pretty sold off already. BYON giving us another opportunity to go short.
Yeah.
Okay. So GLW going back up to that 20. See if we get a secondary entry in there. NVAX. Oh, anybody catch that NVAX?
No, I spotted earlier, but didn't take it. Beautiful.
Nice. I think it's down to $11.68.
Yeah.
DXCM. Oh, just trigger. AAL. I think DXCM is more reliable.
Yeah. We're getting close to support on SFM. If you look at the pre-market, there's support right around here. So wouldn't be surprised if we get a little bounce right here. Probably a good place to take a partial.
I'm in DXCM.
Okay. Yeah, that looks big. Looks like it's going up. What the heck? Oh, damn it. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna take a little nibble in PayPal here. I like it. Nah, I'm gonna wait. I want to wait for it to look perfect before I jump in to something like that.
They fell on me, CM.
Yeah, you're doing a level 1 or something?
Mm-hmm.
That one, I'd say, it's kind of shallow. Because
Uh-huh.
if you think about it, your target to the high of day is very close to where you're at. So I would just wait for it to break the high of day and then go long.
Oh, yeah.
You know, that's the tricky part. I think for me, I've noticed if I take level 1s and they're shallow versus like, you know, steeper,
Mm-hmm.
I tend to have better luck on the deeper ones because they have more room to go.
Yeah.
Whereas I notice the shallower ones tend to fail, you know, and then I'm like, oh crap, and then they set up again for a long later. And I'm like,
Nike is better. And
let's see, yeah. You can wait for it to break the high and then go long. Wow. Anybody want to try a JetBlue short?
I don't know. That's tricky.
Yeah. It's still going up. Still going up really strong. It's at $7 now. Let's see. Where's resistance? Resistance is at $7.58. That first, you know, pivot area around there, $7.50. So yeah, I could keep going.
I think I have to stop early. I'm down 2 hours, so I'm thinking just gonna stop.
What trades did you take that?
GLW, 4
Okay.
hours. PAAS.
Why not give it a wider stop loss so that way, or at least if you get that entry and then it comes back up,
I mean, it was
just get out right at break even or close to, you know.
Yeah.
You let it go all the way past the pivot. So if you're gonna let it go past the pivot for a stop there, might as well just give it all the way to the 20. And then if you're not gonna let it go past the pivot, then definitely get out when it starts coming back up to your original entry.
Yeah. Yeah, those trades tend to not do well for me.
Which ones? The VWAP?
Yeah, those seem to be always like.
So you look at it now, right?
Yeah.
Now you got another setup right here, a level 1 off the 20.
But now it's above the 8 and the VWAP.
It's above the 8 and the VWAP, yeah. So what you could do is just target back down to the 8. Or, you know, you go in smaller amount. I think NVAX might have bottomed right here, guys. And then I'm going to be looking for some sort of pullback later on. SFM I think is also bottomed too. I think you could take it long around here. It's underneath all the moving averages, but I think this is the idea of bouncing back up into the moving averages. JetBlue.
Think PayPal might go down now.
PayPal.
Yeah.
Looks like it's holding pretty strong.
It's going down.
I took a long on an SFM. Hopefully, let's see what it does. 2 minutes about to trigger. Let's see if we get a bounce here. PayPal looks good for long. GLW looks good for probably to go long eventually too. Here's that 20-period moving average. Let's see what it does. I think I'm going to try a counter trend trade on NVAX and JetBlue when they finally kind of get super extended, and that'll be my last thing. Let's see. The bars are starting to get smaller on NVAX. Starting to get a little bit tighter and tighter range. Oops. What's that? GLW, I'm gonna get ready to add to my short. I gave myself the wide stop, as you can probably tell.
GLW?
Yeah, I just figured give it a wider stop up at like 39, 20 something. JetBlue. I'm gonna show signs of struggle here.
Took a AVTR long.
A what?
AVTR.
AVTR. Okay.
Nice.
Wow.
That's a great chart.
It's level 2.
I like that it's up several days, but it looks good. Looks good. Okay, so now I've got my pivot on PayPal, so I'm gonna go long over 64.15 on PayPal if it triggers. 64.15 with a stop down underneath 63. So $1.15. Target's gonna be 65 something, and then further, hopefully.
Did you get it?
No, it didn't trigger. I'm still waiting. So I got the red bar now. So now I got the red bar. Now I can possibly go long above this. So putting my entry now to buy it over that pivot. If it triggers. If it doesn't trigger, then, no harm, no foul. And,
AGL looking good for a long. Moving average catching up.
okay, let's see.
AGL.
AGL. Yeah, it does.
Hey, your QXO.
What? Sorry. Were you talking to me, Lynn?
Your QXO.
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 Bouncing up the VWAP now.
You mentioned earlier.
Oh, I did? QXO. Let's see. QXO. Oh, yeah, that crazy one. Yeah. All right. Let's see what happens. Ford looks like a good short now. Yesterday was really annoying.
I know.
I tried it like 3 times.
Yeah.
It's so frustrating. I tried it short, and then it came back, and I just kept taking all these small paper cuts and just not getting anywhere. And then at the end of the day, I finally got this move, and I was like, "Oh, great! It's gonna finally go." And so like I was all invested in it, super excited, and then it comes back, stops me out, break even, like does one of those inside bars after the breakout,
Yeah.
and then doesn't go back down. And I'm thinking, "Oh my gosh, what annoying!" Like the entire time, just that's insane. But today looks like it's actually cracking underneath it, but I'm not going to trade it. Just so freaking annoying. I think it gets down to yesterday's low, which was the target originally.
CRW look like it's maybe going back down. Let's see, is that gonna work?
Yeah. Crowd looks like another possible drop.
Yeah.
Here we go. Crowd. Here we go. A little lower. Come on, crowd. Sweet. Hey, look at that. JetBlue is still
AAM.
going up.
I know. JetBlue still going up.
Crowd looks good to hold on for a little lower. I added to that right there.
Okay, I didn't add because I don't know.
Yeah, because it is getting kind of extended. One of these setups is going to fail eventually. So I'm thinking maybe crowd gets to 35.
Yeah.
So 2 more points. We'll see. The next bar could be a breakout failure. Oh, look at that. I'm glad I didn't go long on PayPal yet. Look at that. Waited for the pivot.
I was thinking I'm going short.
Yeah, it's starting to roll over. Look at that. Wow.
Just gonna try it.
I think the better short would be underneath 63.18, that pivot.
Yeah.
Then you really know that you got a lower high and a lower low. If you jump in here, you're doing like kind of like a level 1, which isn't bad. But if you wait for that 63.18 to trigger, then you got the full thing.
Yeah.
So I'm going to do that. I'm going to wait for it to get underneath there, and then I'll go short. I wonder if it never triggers and it goes back over the high of the 64, then I'll go long. The market, I think we're having something happening at, let's see what the Market Watch says. At 7 o'clock, consumer confidence, and at 8 o'clock, something. So there's some announcements happening right now in the market. All right. Looks like NVAX might actually go higher right here.
I guess GAL may not go enough.
Which one?
AGL.
AGL, okay. want to take a look at MRK. MRK, I want to try to catch the knife on. I'm going to do that, and that'll be my knife catch for the day. MRK has gone very far without any pullbacks here. Maybe 2 more bars, and then a nice. Could go long on JetBlue right here.
Go long.
Yeah, it's crazy. It keeps going up. I mean, it's going. I'm just gonna take it. I just took it. Oh well. We'll see if the next candle is a doji and I get, I have to go short.
Okay. You're a brave man, Charlie Brown.
It was a small amount of shares, so I just figured I'll give it a shot. And my plan is I'm going to try to stay in this until I get a level 1 to the downside. When I get the level 1 to the downside, I'll flip it short. Just see how long this will keep going until it basically produces a level 1. It looks like crowd is starting to find support here, so I might get out of crowd over this candle's high. Yeah, just 1 minute, just 2 minutes just triggered, sorry. Getting out of that. Could be false, but we'll see. Oh, level 1 on SFM, which are underneath all the moving averages, so I guess the chart would be
nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Should I take it? Yeah, let me see.
Which one are you thinking?
You see SFM for counter trend, right?
Yeah, to go long, yeah. Right here's
You
the
get
level
in, I'll
1.
go with you, Jason.
Looks good. It doesn't look too bad. I don't like the 2 minute chart though. It's like grindy,
Yeah. Oh wow, look at AAL.
I know, couldn't get in.
Gosh.
That's that pullback one, right? We mentioned.
Yeah.
Did it go skyrocket?
Well,
Yep.
it's going up pretty good.
Oh, nice. Dang. Okay, well, we missed the level 1 there.
Yeah.
Hey, look at LUMN. Is it shortable?
Holy cow.
Which one?
LUMN.
Okay,
Oh,
LUM.
it's been a penny stock. I don't know. It's shooting up pretty good.
LUMN. Is it shortable?
It's say hard to borrow. I don't know.
Oh, yeah, I probably can't short it. We should just try to figure out a way to go long on this. But let's see. LUMN. Looks great. We should just try to go long. Looks. Oh my gosh, look at that. Whee! Okay, let's see if we got a doji bar on this LUMN. What's going up crazy? Let's see, or down crazy. NBAX might put in a bottom right here.
Oh my god. Okay. Shooting that.
59. Okay.
Incoming AGL.
AGL.
Yeah, missed the entry, but it's moved too fast.
Oh, here comes my PayPal. Getting over that pivot. So let's see if we get a move on PayPal now. There we
Hey,
go.
SFM,
Yeah, hopefully let's see what happens.
you got in?
The 20's catching up. I did get in, yeah. We'll see. It's got to get over that 8 period moving. I got SFM. Oh, there we go. All right. Come on.
MLK can be long here.
Yeah. Yeah, looks good. So, you know. Oh, all right.
This ABTL is working.
Nice. AVTR.
Yeah.
JetBlue looks like a short idea soon. Level 1.
Is there any like resistance anywhere?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Oh my gosh, look at LUMN. Guys, what is going on with this?
Wow.
Does it still say hard to borrow, right? It says or short or does it say hard to borrow?
It's yeah, HTB.
I wonder if I could still short it if it's hard to borrow.
Try one share.
Yeah. I'm not gonna try to short it yet, but I'm thinking if I get that 5-minute doji candle, it's usually a really great short opportunity right there. PayPal. I think GLW looks interesting. Let's see if it falls over right here. I also like
You can watch NBAX for maybe another short.
yeah, I think so. Not a bad idea. There's that doji bar on LUMN, but well, it's not done yet. It could turn into a nothing, just a regular bar. JetBlue. Where's that level 1? Hasn't triggered yet. NDAX looks good. More
Yeah.
downside.
Yeah.
I hope JetBlue doesn't trigger. I'm hoping it goes a little higher. That'd be better.
Yeah.
And then this LUMN, I'm thinking, just wait. It's going to put in a really nice doji bar at the top. Crowd looks good for more downside move.
Yeah, let Crown might go back down. Keep going.
Yeah. What is going on with the system here? I really love this GLW if it can break underneath this 20. Oh, it's getting that doji bar. An LUMN. Oh, still going. Okay, JetBlue is still going. Possibly. Nice. LUMN is still going up.
There's
Amazing.
There's a penny stock. I cannot squeeze.
Yeah. This is awesome. Oh, there we go. Might even go to like 200, you know? These things can go psycho. What do you think about JetBlue here? It's still going up.
Yeah, I don't see the reason why to show it yet.
Yeah, no reason yet. I think the bottom on SFM is in. I think JetBlue has higher.
Hey, imagine we take that level 2. Like, it's so extended. I can't take it.
I know. I think NVAX also is a long for a little bit. Just a little bit higher. And then we can get out. We can do this short later. I'm going to try a JetBlue long. It's super extended, but hey, you know, we'll just do it.
Này em có nhận khách từ 11 giờ.
I want to see SFM get a little higher.
LUMN crazy.
Yeah, it keeps going.
You in then?
No. Yeah. JP Morgan, guys.
JPM. Oh, crowd still going down.
Yeah.
I got out SFM so fast because the spread is so hard to trade.
Oh, okay. I'm still in it.
Oh, you still in it?
Yeah.
Woo. Oh, come on, crowd. You do it.
Okay.
JP Morgan, my break.
Crowd's still going.
Crowd still going.
Well, stupid Sprout.
Just keep it. And I'm thinking get back up to 100.
Mm-hmm.
I like NBAX still as well.
Yeah, I'm watching that too.
You guys look at LUMN.
Oh gosh, this thing is like shooting up still. Squeeze.
Why didn't we join, right?
I know.
There's so many opportunities along the way, and all we have to do is just not be chicken about it.
Mm-hmm.
But we totally did.
Look at how extended I am. Oh, JetBlue coming back down.
Yeah, I shorted it, level 1.
Nice.
Hopefully we get a move here. What am I currently?
Do you take that short on NVAX?
I did. Yeah. I'm thinking we get a little lower NVAX and MRK here. I want to see this. I really want to try a short on this LUMN. After I get the doji, just gotta wait for that 5-minute doji.
Is
It's
it
gonna be so
shortable?
beautiful.
It's
Come on,
shortable?
JetBlue.
Jason, LUMN is shortable?
Oh, I don't know. I'm gonna try it.
Okay.
Yeah, if it doesn't work, then it'll tell me they can't short it. But I'm just waiting for that 5-minute doji candle to appear.
Oh, crap, it's shortable. LUMN is shortable.
LUMN is shortable?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh
okay.
my goodness.
Oh crap, it's
Wow.
working.
Oh, good. Let's do
Are
it.
you,
What
well,
is,
I'm waiting for the 5-minute doji.
I wanted only one share though, so it's like I make nine pennies right now.
Ah, damn it. There's no 5-minute doji. You gotta wait for that 5-minute doji.
Yeah, it's really not my kind of trade.
JP Morgan about to break.
Alright.
Oh, again.
Yeah, it's about to break. Yep.
Huh?
Yeah, I see that. Let's go to the daily.
Let's see if I'll be able to short this, this LUM, whatever it is. Wait for the 5-minute, two more minutes.
You still in Sprout?
No. I'm not gonna stay in if it comes back to my entry. No way.
Okay.
I took a partial on the wide range bar, and then when it came back to my entry, got out.
Okay, good.
Yeah. I'm gonna stay past that. That's crazy.
Okay, LUMN, come on.
Still waiting on the 5-minute doji. I'm triggered on a 2-minute. Did you short it?
Not yet.
Oh,
Waiting
okay,
for
yeah.
the candle.
Just gonna wait, yeah. Ah, there's the 5-minute bar right there. See if I can get filled with anything. No? Oh, I did get filled. Okay. I just did 20 shares.
Nice.
And we'll see if it goes.
I didn't get filled.
JetBlue looking like a long. And that's not my favorite candle, that 5-minute candle. I was hoping it would end as a doji, not a, not one of these, but oh well.
Look at MRK.
Yeah, I've been shorting it. Yeah, the level 1 right there. It's still going good.
Wow. Very nice.
I think the NVAX might have bottomed. So we'll see. Let's see what happens to this LUMN. Put my stop right at break even now on it. And just let it do its thing. I shorted the GLW just now. Level 1. It's above the 8 and above the 20. So I know I'm going against the trend of the 5-minute time frame. So we'll see what happens.
Did anyone get in JP Morgan?
No,
I didn't.
I didn't want to take any more
I told you
trades.
guys like it will
Yeah,
break.
yeah, I know. I
Yeah.
just didn't want to get any more trade. That's why. Looks good.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
JetBlue another long.
Yep. Starting to get kind of extended here as it's going, but it's a successful move. It is. Well, I took a partial on GLW right at this 8 pure moving average, and if the rest come back and gets me out, then no harm, no foul. I'm thinking about taking a long on NVAX for a double bottom, and then flipping it short at the VWAP. And then MRK, I exited majority of my shares. I'm thinking about right around here taking it long, but I'm going to wait for a 5-minute to break over the previous bar's high. Anybody get the GLW short with me? I think this might be the top. It could. I mean, it's a little. The better setup would be wait for it to actually get underneath all the moving averages and everything. But I just wanted to go in first right here on this level 1, and then see if we get continuation down, and then I'll add to it.
We cannot handle so many trade on you.
I can only do, I think, 8 at a time. They used to have 10, but yeah, I can only do 8.
Handle 3.
Yeah, well,
Oh my god.
TA does even more.
No,
Really?
I try to play less now.
Oh, you do? Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you guys think about AAL?
Oh, yeah, let me take a look.
JetBlue could be a new high value.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know now. I think the target got hit, right? And then
Mm-hmm.
I think, yeah, I don't know. Target got hit, and then, you know. Okay. And Vax is starting to do a double bottom here. He could go long right here. Target the prior pivot high.
I think Sprout will go lower.
Yeah, it does. It looks like it is.
Yeah.
Especially with that
Sure,
wide
Sprout.
range engulfing bar. You
Mhm.
know? It really tricked a lot of people. I mean, it's it gapped up quite a lot. So I think it's just going to sell off until it finally finds some real support. All right. Could try to take the LUMN long right here. Level
Yep.
2 off the 1-2 minute. It's a little tricky. I'm gonna try to take the MRK.
Long.
Yeah, eventually, yeah. I think it looks good. I'm just looking at waiting for a 5 minute. I'm gonna wait for 5 minutes. All my analysis is on 5 minutes, and so if I, do something hasty on a 2 minute because I want a better entry, I just always end up kicking myself in the head for doing it. It's like I've done so much examples on 5 minutes, and then yeah.
NVAX could be a long.
Yeah, I made it long. Yeah, level 1 right off that, right there.
Yeah.
Hopefully get back up to the prior pivot. That's all I'm aiming.
Yeah.
If I get over that, then that's great. Judging from the LUMN, I think if it tries to produce a high off of this, it's probably going to fail. Look at that daily chart. I think this is the climactic top for the chart on the daily. Look at that. Look at the daily. You see how crazy that is? Green, 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 and then today produces the widest green bar. And NVAX is working. Let's see if we can get over this prior pivot back up to the VWAP or the 20. My target's going to be the 20. NVAX, so about $13. We're at 13, and then I'll be looking to possibly try to get back in short on it. Crowd's still going, and it's grinding too.
He's grinding. Yeah, I'm still in that thing.
So there's no reason to basically get out of crowd. All right. GLW is working now. So let's see how far, if we can break underneath this. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 bars on MRK. Looks good. I want to try to, let's see. Okay. If I can catch the bottom of this MRK here, I'm going to try to get myself like a 5R trade if I can make this happen. I've seen that one guy on the internet do it. He'll have like 5R trades, and you're just like, how the heck are you doing that? Okay, MRK, 5R trade coming up. Let's see if I can do this. I think we're almost at the $15, which makes sense. We'd probably get to 15. JetBlue is going sideways.
I wish I added to that crowd.
I'm all out of NVAX. Yeah, I know. Look at LUMN. Perfect. All right. There we go. Took a partial in LUMN. I think we're gonna bounce right here. Anybody catch that new high failure on JetBlue short?
Mm-mm.
Oh,
you?
dang it.
Gosh,
Yeah, I missed that one.
so nice. I missed it. I was looking at it and saying like, "Oh, this looks good," and then
Yeah. No, I missed that one. And I got
yeah,
out of
so
NVAX,
nice.
so.
That's a 1 hour move right there from the stop. You know,
Yep.
it's actually quite. Now that I think about it, if you really give yourself 1 bar stop losses, you might get stopped out often. But when you do you can make an R pretty fast with it.
Yeah.
You know, like I could on MRK if I get in this long when it triggers, it's probably going to give me an R or 2 Rs in 1 bar. It's still going down grindy though.
Ooh, has a
Oh,
nice drop there.
PayPal just triggered. If you wanted to try that, it did the. Could be a little bit nicer and cleaner of a setup, but
Yeah.
okay. I'm going to try for funsies. I'm going to try a long on LUMN when I get a 5-minute doji bar. And then after I get 1 bar move, I'm just going to quickly get out of it. And then I'm going to look to possibly get a short on this. Oh, wow. I'm glad I got an NVAX. Look at that.
Yeah,
That new-
no.
So I think we got more downside on this NVAX.
The market is dropping fast.
Oh, you're right. Oh my gosh. What? I'm like, wow. Okay. Wow, the SPY, SPY. So something came out and some news came out. Interesting. We got the wide range bar there, right there. So be careful. It usually signifies a short-term bottom. Wow. What the heck? Something came out and the market doesn't like it. Oh, at 8 o'clock, remember? Market Watch. If you go to Market Watch tab, it's 4-week bill announcement. So I don't know what that means, but it did not like that.
Took a short on CVS.
CVS, let's take a look. CVS. Yeah, nice. You did it earlier, or you're doing it now?
Just now.
Okay, you're doing it right into the 20. So be careful.
Yeah. I mean,
It's like me when I did my short on the GLW.
yeah.
I did it right into the 20, so I know I'm going against it, but
Because
planning for that.
Yeah, this pattern seemed to happen a few times, so.
Yeah.
Oh wow, crowd still going down. Nice.
I know, it's crazy, right?
Yeah.
It's still going, it's still going. Bar by bar. Same with MRK, bar by bar. Probably around 11:15 we'll get the 11:15 reversal. gonna look for a short on this LMN soon.
Short or long?
Well, long first, and then short after I get my one little move.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna try to get GLW hopefully back underneath this 20, and then I'll add to it. JetBlue. Maybe we'll look for a long on JetBlue soon.
I see that after the 20.
Yeah. It was a bullish stock, pretty strong move, and we're dropping with the market, so it makes sense. And then when the market, index just triggered level 2 right there.
Number 2, yeah.
Hold on to your horses.
How much
Here
more
we go. I think
how
we're
much
gonna get a
more can
move.
it go though?
What? How far?
Yeah.
Probably go back down to 1168. Maybe 2 more bars. I wouldn't be surprised if it breaks 12. But I also wouldn't be surprised if it breaks 12 and then comes right back up to this bar, turns green, you know?
Yeah.
It's gonna break 12. Crowd just triggered a level 1.
Yeah, I'm gonna go long, see what happens.
Me too. What the heck is going on? It's so slow. Okay. Let's see if we get this move up to 235. There we go. Come on.
Squeeze.
Yeah, we just want to see it squeeze, man. We need to see it squeeze. 235. $235. Come on, buddy. Come on. Okay, GLW and NVAX is working pretty good.
Nice.
But I think NVAX is going to fail after this attempt lap down, so I took a partial right there. And put my stop underneath this, over this bar. MRK is really still going. Where's support on MRK? Let's see. Oh wow, MRK doesn't have support all the way until $12.70 something. So it could keep going another $2.
JetBlue could be a bounce.
Yeah.
Yep, right here, level 1. Definitely could be. There we go. Trigger. Come on, buddy. Come on, JetBlue.
Kinda slow on an entry for me.
Well, sorry, you got a horrible entry?
Yeah. I still put in a mock order beforehand, but I was trying to calculate like my risk.
Yeah. Kind of looks like crowd. Yeah, crowd doesn't look too bad. It's getting back down to the entry point. We'll see. All right, I like this MRK here. We're going on the 2-minute. That's not something I normally do. Oh, getting the level 1 on LUMN on the 5-minute. So hopefully this goes a little higher, and I can short this. Guys, MRK. MRK triggered. Okay, let's see if we get this nice move here on MRK. I want to see it back 115. That'd be nice.
You still in crowd?
Still in which one?
Crowd?
I am, yeah, I'm still long in crowd. Long crowd, long JetBlue, long LUMN. And I just, JetBlue is gonna take me out right there, so no problem, no problem.
Yeah.
Right? Here we go, crowd, come on, crowd. Squeeze, baby, squeeze. Squeeze. Get all up to 236. Same with MRK. This will be my best reversals if they go really well and I don't get out. Nice. Excellent, excellent. Excellent. Took a partial on all 3. LUMN, Mark, and crowd. The reason why is we're so, on all 3 of them, they hit the 8-period moving average almost at the same exact time.
Oh.
So now I'm just seeing what happens after this. I think we're going to get the 20. If I was a really good trader, I would hold through all this all the way till the 20. Like, I look at people, some of these guys trading online that I wish I could aspire to be.
Yeah.
And they'll get in that MRK and they'll hold it all the way till the VWAP. And you're just like, oh my gosh, and they'll be like, good 10-hour trade for the day. I'm like 10 hours on one trade? What the heck? I'm struggling to make 1 hour on one trade.
they could be like making a lot of get into a lot of losses,
Yeah.
because those kind of trade don't often work that well. So
But also, these guys only trade like that's the difference between you and I with them is like most of these guys either they trade one stock and that's it, like they'll trade the SPY every day and that's it,
yeah,
so they're really familiar with it, or they trade one setup and that's it,
yeah,
like climactic reversals to the bottom side. That's all they trade. So they have a scanner, they look for stocks like MRK and Crowd or whatever, and they'll just wait until the perfect time at 11:15. It's always the same every single time they do it. And if it fails on them that day, that's it. They just accept the loss. Like, I lost 1 hour, I'm down for the day, or I lost 2 hours and I'm down for the day. I tried it twice, whatever.
yeah,
You and I, we get the loss, we just keep trading. And we have so many setups that we try different things, like level 1 off the VWAP, climactic reversal, lower high, new high failures, transition trades. Like, I mean, I guess what I'm trying to say is we're very well versed in price action now because of that.
well,
But also, it's a little bit of a double-edged sword. Because of that, we don't consider one trade as being very important, and that the one trade is our only trade for the day. We kind of, do the opposite. Look at that perfect GLW. Shorted it from that level 1. Didn't take a partial all the way until the 20. Gets to the 20. Take a partial. Pops over the 5-minute high. I'm out.
you take long. Could do an ABC.
I don't want to take a long because the 8's right there.
Hmm.
The 8's right there. It's a downtrend. I'd rather this fail and then I could get back in short, underneath the VWAP. That would be pretty awesome. Crowd's looking great. I think Crowd's working better than MRK.
Yeah.
Market's bouncing too, but right after that wide range bar, so that makes sense. I'm gonna try to short a lower high on LUMN. See if we get that lower high going. It says it was hard to borrow, but it works now. Weird. Or is it easy to borrow now? It says easy to borrow.
I don't think so.
So we get down to 200 and. Crowd looks great.
Crowd is great.
I think it gets all the way up to the 20 here. I think LUMN probably gets back down to the 20 one more time.
CVS could be another show. An ad.
CVS, okay.
Yeah.
MRK looks great. Starting to get better.
Do you
Look at-
guys trade on the chart or what?
What do you mean trade on the chart?
So you
What's
just have multiple charts on your screen and then you just trade on it, or you have a separate window.
I have multiple charts. Yeah.
Okay.
I have multiple charts and multiple screens.
Yeah, multiple charts, multiple screens.
And I still need more screens.
I have 2 screens away.
TA,
Yeah.
look at GLW. You see? You said, do I want to go long?
Mm.
And I said, no, the 8's right there. So I basically was just waiting for this, and I shorted more.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so just waiting for that lower high to form, you know?
Yeah.
And now that it's testing the VWAP, if it gets through the VWAP, you know, it's going to be nice. MRK is working great. Same with, I think we got more room for,
I know, unfortunately, get out. Just so, let me lock that in. Damn it.
oh yeah. No, I think we got another bar higher for these. We got to get to that 20, you know?
Yeah.
I think it wants to get there. And I think that the first attempt down might even fail too, because of how strong the move was. Like so the first level 1 off the 20 is probably going to be not very easy of a trade.
Okay.
Here comes NVAX. Could take this long.
I know, still going.
Let's see here. What do I want to do? NVAX could. Yeah, that was the long right there. That level 1 worked pretty good. And JetBlue looks like a possible short right here. Yeah.
CBS is starting to move down.
All right, all right. Yeah, well, also LUMN is starting to look like it's going to roll over too. Lower high right here.
Yeah.
Possible gets back down to the 20 per moving average, then let's see if it bounces at the 20. If it fails and it slices right through, then I think this is a hold for the rest of the day. I think that move on LUMN might have been the top. Crowd is probably gonna get me out of here.
Yep, crowd might stop me out also.
You know what? I'm gonna stay in. I'm not gonna get out until I see it get underneath the 8 and close. I've seen this trick before.
Yep, I'm out of crowd.
goes PayPal. So I'm going to add to GLW underneath this here. PayPal just triggered too. Got a level 1 triggering on Spy as well.
Level 1. Not yet, not yet.
Yeah, not yet. It's actually shallow too, right? So it's kind of shallow. Okay. Well, here's the true test on this crowd here. Okay, LUMN is working. Come on, buddy. Let's see this thing break down. There we go. Come on, crowd. All right. Looks like a level 1 on crowd.
Yep. Maybe to myself to test low.
Yeah. Yeah, we should have done it. We should have just triggered done the level 1 short right there.
Yeah.
But, let's see, how are we doing? Okay, this is good. I'm going to try to hold on to this LUMN. See if we can break the 50 here. Alright. I'm almost at 17. I'm almost at $17.
Wow.
Jason.
Nice.
Right? It's crazy. If I could have like days like this every day, then that'd be amazing. But it's really because of MRK crowd. Like those stocks just kept going, dropping and dropping and dropping. So they were just very nice. We'll see how much the broker charges me for this LUMN.
Oh, and Vast could be another short, Jason.
Oh yeah. Yeah, nice. Okay. I'll move my stop loss down.
I'm so incompetent placing trades
You just press the buy button and sell button.
because I can find very good stocks.
Yeah.
Good in finding stocks, but I'm so incompetent.
Because you take a long time to put in the order and everything.
I think I have to work on my workplace. I mean the charts. I have only 2 charts. Failing,
yeah.
and I should, do it like you guys. Maybe you can do a Sky education.
Well, you know who's got the best setup is TA, not me. TA's got the,
yeah.
he's got the ultimate. He's got the scanners, the 500 scanners.
Can you conduct an educational class?
I think it's I mean I can help you set up your workstation and stuff, but
Yes, please.
um
Every day I can find very good stuff to trade all day long, but it just can't.
and backs triggers.
Huh?
Oh yeah, you're right. And back to the trigger. Guys, take a look at LUMN. Remember I told you lower high?
Yeah.
That's crazy. I called it I called it short, got the move down, called it long, got 1 bar move. Like I said, I wanted just 1 bar move, got out of it, and then took the level 1 short, lower high.
Nice.
So every single thing I said on this trade ended up working, and except the one thing I should have done is when you first found it, whoever found it, and I said you could just take it long until you get a short signal.
Yeah.
That's when I should have gone in too. So that was at 240, and it went up 4 bars after that. So it's crazy. I did it with 100 shares, and I took a partial down here at this new low, and now I have just 25 shares left. And I'm just gonna see how far it can go.
TA, can you take a picture of your workstation?
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, TA, did you take the NVAX? That's nice.
Oh gosh, no, I did not. I'm looking at it right now, and I'm like, I kind of want to finish the day already. I'm down 3 off. So
Okay, that's not bad.
I didn't want to enter any more trade, but
Yeah,
just kind of
I
go
understand.
to watch that. Just follow the pony.
SM is also short.
Which one?
SMM? SFM?
SMM, right?
No, SFM.
SFM.
SFM. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Yeah. Yeah, it definitely looks like it's still trying to go down.
Yeah, I'm shorting it.
All right. Yeah, right off the 20. That's not bad.
Are you guys a buy and sell on market or limit?
I just do market. If I did limit, I probably would never get filled because from at least what I remember with Thinkorswim, I would press the button and then it would just take forever to get filled with limits.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so because my risk is so small, and the amount of shares is probably going to be small. I usually don't have a problem getting filled, but sometimes I'm really stunned of how late it'll be, and it'll be 10 shares, and I'm thinking to myself come on, you don't have 10 shares to give me 10 shares. This is total bullcrap, So I think
something like SFM.